In this tutorial, we'll learn how to include conditional formatting when exporting visualizations to Excel from Fusion Data Intelligence or FDI. Sometimes as a workbook author, I want to export my FDI visualization to Excel to share with others and include conditional formatting in that visualization. In this example, I have several conditional formatting rules applied to my visualization. Much of this conditional formatting can be exported along with the data when I export to Excel. For example, I have a green background denoting balance amounts I'm interested in. I have bolded and enlarged the text and changed the color of the values of activity amount that I find interesting. I've added emojis or thumbs up icons to other values. I've also added some notes to values that I'm interested in, which tells me more about them. And I have included a custom legend. It's important to consider that there are some conditional formatting elements that cannot be carried over to Excel, like emojis, icons, and custom legends that will be lost in the export process. These are considerations when applying conditional formatting when I'm going to share visualizations in Excel. To export the visualization, I'll click the menu icon in the top right corner and choose Export, and then File. By default, the file name is the workbook name, but I can rename it if I want to. I'll choose Excel as the file format. Then I'll click Save to begin the export. Once the export is complete, I can browse to open the Excel file. And right away I can see the formatting, like the background color and text format, remains consistent across FDI and Excel. Although the conditional formatting notes from the workbook are not exported, Excel has its own native notes capability in spreadsheets. In this tutorial, we successfully exported data with conditional formatting, improving the way that you can share data from FDI. Find additional videos in this series and more resources on using Fusion Data Intelligence in the links below.